Here's a little bit more about properties of ellipses. Right, one of the properties of ellipses is that if you add the distance from this focus to a point on the ellipse, so from here to here, to the distance from the point to the other focus, right, then the sum of those two distances will remain the same no matter what point you are on the ellipse. So let's practice. So let's measure from this focus to that point. And it looks about to be 7.5 centimeters. Okay, so now we're going to measure from the point to the second focus. And wouldn't you know it, I picked a point that might be on the minor axis, okay, because that looks like it's about 7.5 centimeters. So 7.5 centimeters, and if you add those two distances, you get 15 centimeters. Okay, well, let's try that for another point. Let's do it for this one over here. Okay, so if we get that distance, it looks like it's about 5.5 centimeters. And then we're going to go from the other focus all the way over there. And it looks like it's about 9.7. 9.7 centimeters. So if we add those together, we get 15.2 centimeters. Well, given the fact that this is a really roughly drawn ellipse, that we did it with this loop of string and a pen and two screws driven into a cardboard box and paper that can move around, I'd say that's pretty close, right? 15 and 15.2, those are pretty close. So that's kind of a rough verification that the idea that if you add those two distances, the distance from one focus to the point and the other focus to the point, you add them together and you get a constant result, right? That's a pretty good verification of that.